Jaguar Land Rover. Today we're going to take a look at this 2018 Jaguar F-Pace. Now this is a wonderful vehicle. It has blind spot, which is always nice, as well as proximity, and to make it easier to get in and out of the vehicle in inclement weather, or just any time at all. It does have a power liftgate as well as a security cover out back, as well as all-weather mats, which are always nice in the winter. Now it is all leather interior, which is wonderful, and it has plenty of charging ports in the rear seat. Now let's take a look up front. So up front, we've got the different drive modes that are available, as well as memory seats and a panoramic sunroof. It also does have a heated seat, steering wheel, blind spot, and lane keep assist. So it has all of the updated things as well as navigation. I want to thank you for your time for watching this video. If you have any questions about this vehicle or any other vehicle on the lot, feel free to give me a call or ask me when you come in the showroom. My name is Jordan Rothrock. I hope you all have a wonderful rest of the day.